In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the boost feature. The boost feature in Basecamp is a simple, effective way to shine a spotlight on something important so your team doesn't miss it. Think of it as a quick nudge that says, hey, this matters. You can use it to celebrate great work, draw attention to a key update, or make sure a question gets timely eyes. Start by opening the message or comment you want to highlight in Basecamp. This could be a message in a project or HQ, or a comment inside a specific thread. The key is to be looking at the exact post that deserves a little extra attention. If you're not already there, navigate to the relevant space, find the conversation, and open the message or scroll to the specific comment. Next, look for the Boost button. You'll recognize it by the lightning bolt icon. It typically sits near the usual actions like replying or reacting, so it's easy to spot when you're viewing the message or comment directly. Clicking that lightning bolt is how you start the boost. When you click the Boost button, you'll have the option to add a short note. This part is optional, but it's often helpful. Keep it succinct and clear, just a few words that explain why you're boosting. For example, you might write, "Great summary. Please review today." This unblocks the timeline. Or shout out for nailing the client handoff. A quick note gives context, sets expectations, and makes your intent unmistakable. Once your note looks good, or if you prefer to skip the note entirely, go ahead and hit Boost to confirm. That's it. The message or comment is now highlighted for your team. The boost draws attention where it needs to go and signals that this item deserves a closer look. It helps cut through the noise without adding yet another message to the thread. A few practical tips to get the most from boosts. Use them for moments that truly matter. Major updates, deadlines, helpful answers, and noteworthy wins. Be specific with your notes so people know exactly what you want them to see or do. Keep your tone encouraging and professional, since your note is visible to anyone who can view that conversation. And use boosts thoughtfully. They're most effective when they stand out. This works well on both desktop and mobile, and the lightning bolt icon is your visual cue in each place. Open the message or comment, click or tap the bolt, add a short note if you need it, and confirm. That's all it takes to use the boost feature with confidence. Try it on your next important update to make sure it gets the attention it deserves.